Good afternoon, my name is Sean Robertson. I'm President of Sunseeker USA, and we're here today on the beautiful 68 Manhattan. Now this is one of our larger Manhattan range, which gives the ability for family extended cruising with 4 cabins, 3 heads on the lower deck, a beautiful spacious saloon and aft galley, all encompassed in a glazing that really brings the outside to the inside, really mixes that interior space very well. Obviously a huge flybridge space, forward entertainment, sunbathing and seating. But what I'd like to show you today is something we often don't concentrate on, which is the beach club space that the 68 can offer. So I'm stood on the hydraulic platform, which can lift your main tender easily out of the water, but also when it's not storing the tender, once it's dropped down, it's a great swim on, swim off platform. Behind me, you'll see that with this garage door open, you've got ample storage for all of your water sports and diving equipment, even with a bench here, which will be great for when you're changing or just sitting there enjoying the stunning view. Inside this locker, we can store away the 2 sea bobs. You've got the door in the up position with lighting and an overhead shower, and then obviously the crew door that hinges up, which is a crew cabin or just an extended storage space when you're doing that cruising with your family. So the 68 Manhattan really does offer large yacht space, large yacht usability compacted down into that 68 feet. So again, please come and see us here at the Miami International Show, particularly the 68 or any of the other exciting range we have here on display. Thank you very much.